My gorgeous queen, your divine beauty captivates my gaze. Today, I will take you with me on my favorite journey. It will be filled with the most captivating and mouth-watering dishes that this greatest world can offer you and me. The world where you can eat everything you want to and stay in a perfect body. This is your reality, my goddess. And just breathe in your beautiful chest this hot, thick air of bliss right now. Breathe in and breathe out. And once again breathe in and breathe out. And repeat with me. My body perceives as a pleasure everything that I eat. Food is my best friend who helps me, the greatest goddess, nourish my luxurious body and keep it healthy and youthful for centuries. Food is a source of earthly and unearthly pleasures for me. I love food, and food loves me so much for my love for it, my pure love, my love without any restrictions and barriers. That food gives me the greatest gift it has. Food makes me slim, and when I eat as much as I want and as much as I like, food rejoices and protects me and my body so that I can continue to enjoy it. I love sweets because it makes my body unusually attractive to men. I love salt because this food makes me savory for men. Everything I eat makes me incredibly attractive and alluring woman. People love me for my taste for life and pleasures, and every day they ask me the secret of my harmony. I can easily eat even fast food if I want to, because my body loves quick pleasures and my soul is used to getting super fast and pure emotions of delight. Each eaten piece goes to the greatest benefit of my body because I know for sure how to truly enjoy food. My main secret of harmony is that I eat everything I want and when I want, and therefore my body knows nothing about refusal and barriers. I pamper my body and it pampers me back. My body is my best friend and food is the best friend of my body, giving it life, pleasure and sweet joy. My body is now in the most ideal and seductive shape. Men all over the world admire my body and my thirst for life. They love to pamper me and invite me to the best restaurants because they know that I will make their evening filled with joy of the taste and the most unforgettable. My body always remains slim, graceful, and silky because I know the secret of the true bliss of beauty.